In the year in which we are celebrating 35th anniversary, Croatia Airlines has embarked on the business project in the company's history, the replacement of the airline entire fleet with a single-type Airbus A220 aircraft featuring state-of-the-art technology.
Danas zajedno svjedočimo novom povijesnom koraku na putu otvaranja još kvalitetnije budućnosti Croatia Airlinesa, ali i svih nas koji ćemo kao gospodarstvenici, turisti ili putnici letjeti krilima nacionalnog avioprijevoznika.
We're very excited to be here finally for the upcoming delivery. I want to thank all of the team at Croatia Airlines and our partners at Pratt & Whitney at Airbus for a job well done over the last 4 years. We're very excited about the future.
And to all those of you who fly on Croatia Airlines A220, I hope you will enjoy the great comfort, large windows and natural light the aircraft's spacious cabin has to offer.
We're proud to extend this relationship with Croatia Airlines and are really excited for them to experience the fuel burn and the noise performance that the GTF has to offer on the A220.
Redizajniranim logotipom koji je vođen hrvatskim nacionalnim identitetom, kao i novim unutarnjim i cjelokupnim vanjskim izgledom zrakoplova, ostajemo dosljedni našem prepoznatljivom identitetu.
Dok s partnerom poput Airbusa one postaju još lakšima i stvarnijima, otvarajući nova poglavlja u unapređenju hrvatske prometne infrastrukture.
I look very much forward to continuing working with your teams and again, congratulations.
Today we are making history, enabling us to further develop successful and sustainable business operation.